Hey Karen, how are you? This is Adrian, obviously. All right, so in response to your question, excuse me, are there points associated with this? So if we go into course modules, I mentioned 6, 8, and 10 are not showing up in the grade books. Let's go there first. If I go, hold on. See how it's not showing up here in my grades. I go into Grade Center, Full, Manage, Columns, and in Columns, I scroll it down. I got post and response 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no 6, 7, no 8, no 10. All right, so I get that. But here's the thing, like when I go into discussion board, and let's do number 6 just for shits and grins, right? Evaluation, post and response number 6, edit this one. I got points. I did this one just like I did the other one, so I'm not sure what's going on. That's why I'm kind of at the end of it. I mean, I sometimes reach out to you and I figure it out, but this is one where I've been stumped and I can't figure it out, and it's going to really help me to clean up the last couple steps in this course. All right, hope this video helps you to figure out what I have going on, and I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're getting your workouts. Catch you later.